Hello student, welcome to our today's class. Today we are going to start our new chapter. The chapter name is Living in the Moment. What is the meaning of this? Living in the moment means what? See, we should not live in the past. We should not live in the future, but we have to live in a present because we can't change our past and we can't create our future. But if we live in today, if we live in present, then ultimately our past will be good, our future will be automatically good. Okay, so there is, we should not live in the past or the future, but we have to live in a moment, we have to live in a present tense. Okay, see here, the same thing has told about the present, past, and future. Now let's see what the author said about the living in the moment. What does mean by the living in the moment? Okay, student. So let's see what the author is asking us. Author asking us that are you ever worried about or stressed about your past? Are you worried about your future, that what will be happen, and all these things are distracting you? If your answer is yes, then here is one story for you by which you will understand that we should not worried about past or future, but we have to focus on our present. Then ultimately our past and our future will be good. Okay, so let's see here one story. In this story, this is a king, okay, and this is a courtier. These two are the main hero of our today's story. So let's read the story. Here, the king sat on a royal throne. I am very happy today. The kingdom is at peace. All my subjects are happy. Everyone is fed and well looked after. My family is healthy and the kingdom is flourishing. There is no one and nothing that can make me sad. Okay, so these are the sentence of the king. Now at this moment king is very happy and he's saying that my subjects are happy, I am looking after them very well, and my kingdom is flourishing. Okay, so there is nothing in this time which make me unhappy. Okay, likewise king was telling. Okay, now after listening king's these words, what this courtier said to king. Okay, now this courtier said to king, you should not you should not ever say that, great king. Now he is saying that you should not ever say that, great king. One of the courtier pipped up. Now this is the courtier. उसने कहा कि आपने ऐसा नहीं कहना चाहिए. Life is unpredictable. We can be sad 1 minute and be happy next. We never know what is going to come next. उन्होंने कहा कि लाइफ बहुत अनप्रडिक्टेबल है. हम बता नहीं सकते कि अभी हम किस मुद्दे पे नाराज़ हो जाए, दुखी हो जाए, और नेक्स्ट मोमेंट पे हम हैप्पी हो जाओ. सो नो वन कैन से. ओके, सो नाउ, okay, so after listening this, king didn't like this. So king said, impossible. The king exclaimed, I'm so happy that nothing can make me sad. I declared competition. Anyone who can make me sad when I am happy and happy when I am sad by saying just one sentence will get a reward of thousands of gold coins. Okay, सो जो कॉर्टियर ने कहा कि भाई ऐसा हमें नहीं करना चाहिए, हम तो एक पल में खुश और एक पल में दुखी हो सकते हैं, नेक्स्ट पल क्या होगा हम बता नहीं सकते. इस बात पे राजा को बड़ा गुस्सा आया, राजा को पसंद नहीं आया. राजा ने कहा कि देखो, इस बात पे मैं क्या करता हूँ, मैं एक कंपटीशन ऑर्गेनाइज़ करता हूँ जो मुझे मैं जब खुश हूँ तो मुझे नाराज़ कर सके, और जब मैं नाराज़ हूँ तो मुझे खुश कर सके. जस्ट बाय सेइंग वन वर्ड, देन आई विल गिव देम 1000 ऑफ कॉइन्स. ओके, 1000 ऑफ गोल्ड कॉइन्स. इस तरीके का उन्होंने क्या कर दिया, कंपटीशन ऑर्गेनाइज कर दिया. नाउ द कोर्टियर एंड द मैसेंजर्स ऑफ द court sent the message out far and wild. People poured in from across the kingdom in an attempt to win the competition. मतलब कोर्टियर्स ने और मैसेंजर्स ने क्या कर दिया, ये मैसेज राज्य के हर जगह पे भेज दिया और राज्य के हर पार्ट से लोग क्या होने लगे, राजा के राजधानी में दाखिल होने लगे. उनमें कोई लंबी स्टोरी बताने वाले थे तो कोई ट्रिकरी थे. ओके, एवरीवन ट्राई टू चेंज द किंग्स मूड बाय यूजिंग जस्ट वन सेंटेंस बट इट वाज नॉट पॉसिबल. सभी जन अपना स्किल यूज़ करके किंग का क्या करना चाहते थे, मूड चेंज करना चाहते थे जस्ट बाय वन सेंटेंस, बट इट वाज नॉट दैट सिंपल. तो ये बहुत इम्पॉसिबल था. ओके, ये पॉसिबल नहीं था. नाउ Next person brought before the king to try his luck at winning the competition was an old jeweler. अब सबकी टर्न होने के बाद एक बूढ़ा सा बंदा आया जो कि क्या था, एक ज्वेलर था. द मैन had been of the best jeweler in the kingdom of for many years. Now he was old and frail. He had gone almost completely blind and needed a walking stick to go from one place to another. He placed a gold ring before the king. Okay, there was one old man who was the jeweler for many years in the king's kingdom. Okay, now he is very weak and old and almost he lost his vision, and now he need a walking stick to walk because he is totally blind. Okay, he just put one ring, you can see this ring here. Okay, he just put one ring in front of the king. Okay, and ha ha ha, cried the king. And by seeing that ring, king started laughing. Okay, you are supposed to make me sad when I am happy, you fool. How can giving me a gold ring make me sad? It will make me even happier than before. ओके, सो उन्हें कहा कि भाई तुम क्या समझते हो, ये रिंग देके क्या तुम मुझे हैप्पी से सैड कर सकते हो? अरे ये मुझे सैड कैसे कर सकती है, गोल्ड की रिंग मुझे सैड कैसे कर सकती है, ये करेंगी तो मुझे खुश करेंगी. ओके, आर यू मैड यू फूल मैन. इस तरीके से उन्होंने कोर्ट उस बूढ़े ज्वेलर को कहा. द ज्वेलर लिफ्टेड द रिंग एंड शो इट टू द किंग. When on closer inspection, the king noticed that on the ring were engraved the words, "This too shall pass." ओके, आप भी देख सकते हो यहाँ पे लिखा क्या है, दिस टू शैल पास. ओके, एंड इंस्टेंटली द किंग वॉज फिल्ड विथ एंग्विश. ओके, all his happiness, no matter how intense, could not last forever. ओके, और जो किंग था ये देखने के बाद एकदम से थोड़ा सा क्या हो गया, सैड हो गया. सारा जो उसका हैप्पीनेस था एकदम से पता नहीं कहीं पे चला गया. ओके, he how realized he now realized that these were indeed words that would make him happy when he was sad, and sad when he was happy. उसने मतलब अब उसको पता चला कि ये वो सच में वो वर्ड्स थे या वो सेंटेंस थे जो उसको, अगर वो हैप्पी है तो उसको क्या कर सकते थे, खुश कर सैड कर सकते थे, और जब वो सैड है तो उसको खुश कर सकते थे. ओके, व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस टू पास. इसका मतलब है ये पल भी चला जाएगा. ओके, so every object, every structure, every person, every thought, every problem, every idea, everything is temporary. When we realize how impermanent things are, it thrusts us head first into the present moment. It makes us appreciate what we have right here, right now. Okay, so what moral we got from this story? The moral from this story is we should not bother about our future, and we should not regret about our past, but we have to live in present. Okay, because everything that is temporary, this too shall pass. Okay, so what moral we got from this story? Each moment is a gift. Live in the present will make us very less, we will be happier. इसका मतलब हमने ये जो हमें पल मिला है, ये जो हमें मोमेंट मिला है, दिस इज़ अ गिफ्ट फ्रॉम गॉड एंड वी हैव टू लिव इन दिस मोमेंट. क्या मॉरल मिला है? Each moment is a gift. Live in the present will make a worry less. We will be happy. That means this, ये जो moment हमें मिला है, ये moment क्या है? This moment is gift of God and we have to live in this moment. We should not be worry about our future. और हमने ज़्यादा worry नहीं करना है और ज़्यादा tension नहीं लेना है. And we will make and we will be happy. और इस तरीके से हम क्या हो सकते हैं? खुश रह सकते हैं, क्योंकि this too shall pass. Got it, student?